Terminology made simple. Why is dermatoscopy so difficult? Well, because of three major reasons. First, because of inconsistent terminology. Second, because of metaphoric language. Third, because the terminology in dermatoscopy depends on diagnosis. Let's start with inconsistent terminology. What do I mean? This is a nevus. It consists of brown globules. There's nothing wrong with that. There are globules and they are brown. This is another lesion that consists of red globules. So why not call it a lesion that consists of red globules? Why are these globules now called red lacunes? Only because the color is different? This is a basal cell carcinoma and it consists of blue globules. Why call these blue globules now blue ovoid nests? Only because they are blue, or only because it's a BCC? Would be much easier to use the same term for the same structure all the time. Why is dermatoscopy so difficult? Well, also because of metaphoric language. This is from a teaching CD-ROM of the American Academy of Dermatology, and you can see a basal cell carcinoma. And here you can see a structure that resembles a little bit a leaf. And also here maybe a structure that resembles a leaf. But it's very difficult to see a leaf-like structure as indicated here or here. Why is there a leaf-like structure? Is it because the diagnosis of BCC demands a leaf-like structure? This is a little bit like a Rorschach test. But the Rorschach test was not developed to describe pigmented skin lesions by dermatoscopy. As you know, it was developed for other reasons. And we have other metaphoric terms in dermatoscopy that are difficult to understand for someone who is new to the subject. For example, cobblestone pattern. Does it really look like cobblestones? Spoke wheel areas. Whitish veil. Blue whitish veil. Chrysalis. Maple leaf-like areas, we had that, but also fat fingers. And to be honest, does a pigmented skin lesion really look like this one? And metaphoric language also leads to the third and possibly the most important difficulty. Terminology that depends on diagnosis. What do I mean? This is a pigmented skin lesion viewed with the unaided eye, and this is the same lesion viewed with dermatoscopy. You can see here radial lines at the periphery, radial lines. Now, we call them radial lines or radial streaming if it's a melanoma. But if this lesion would be a BCC, we would call them leaf-like areas. Another lesion clinically, dermatoscopy, you can see here again radial lines at the periphery. Well, we would call these radial lines radial streaming or irregular streaks if it is a melanoma, and we would call these radial lines maple leaf-like areas or leaf-like areas if it's a BCC. Another example clinically, dermatoscopy, we can see a pigment network lines, and we call them network lines or pigment network if it's a melanocytic lesion only. Another lesion clinically, we can see also network lines, but now we call it pseudo-network because we know it's a seborrheic keratosis. Again, terminology depends on diagnosis. Another example clinically, dermatoscopy, this is a seborrheic keratosis, but we would call this structure here blue whitish veil if it's a melanoma. We do not call it blue whitish veil because it's a SEBK. But, and this is the question, if terminology depends on diagnosis, how can it be of help to someone who does not know the diagnosis? And if you know the diagnosis, do you really need to describe the lesion? I believe that there is a better way to describe lesions with dermatoscopy, and this way is pattern analysis. What is pattern analysis? It is a structured approach to classify pigmented skin lesions according to their dermatoscopic features. It avoids inconsistent terminology, it avoids metaphoric language, and it avoids terminology that depends on diagnosis.